chapter 16, Interdependence in nature. So dear student, first you should understand what do you mean by the term interdependence. Interdependence means depend on other. All living organisms used to depend in nature. Things around us used to affect life on the earth, which make environment. Dear student, environment include elements that are broadly divided into two groups: living elements and non-living elements. So let us know about it. Environment include elements that are broadly divided into two groups. These are first living element and B non-living element. So dear student, environment used to include the elements that are broadly divided into two groups, and these two groups are living element of the nature and non-living element of the nature. So who are known as a living element? All living organisms, we human beings, animal, plant, birds, microorganism, all are included in living elements. Whereas non-living elements like air, water, soil, temperature, pressure, sunlight, these all are the non-living element. So dear student, living elements or the living being used to interdepend, or you can say living element used to depend on non-living element. So let us know about the interrelationship between the living and non-living. Interrelationship between living things and non-living things. So let us know about how living things used to depend, or for which factor living thing used to depend upon non-living things, dear student. First, living thing for the survival, they require air, water, soil and sunlight. So let us know about it. How living organism require air. We human beings require oxygen for breathing. Green plants require carbon dioxide to make their own food by the process photosynthesis. Also, different type of the gases required by the human beings for different type of the work. Water. No living organism can survive without water. So, water is that source which is essential for survival of the living organism, and we get water from the nature. Without water, we can't think of the life. Soil. All living organisms used to depend in the soil for their food. We human beings get food from the plant, and plant used to grow in soil. If soil will be not available, where the plant will grow, and the living organism which used to depend on plant all will die. Simultaneously, plant will also die because plants and animal are interdependent in each other. Sunlight. Sunlight is the main source of the energy. Sunlight is the main source of the energy, and by the sunlight only, green plants are able to make their own food. Dear student, you are well aware about the process photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? The process by which green plant make their own food is known as photosynthesis, and in photosynthesis, sunlight play important role. Without sunlight, no photosynthesis process can be performed. So this way, living things depend on air, water, soil and sunlight for their survival, dear student. So in this video, this much only, dear student. Please you read the topic and you should know which elements are included in our environment. Thank you, dear students.